had a few questions about how we shortened the bus and if we took any video of it, and I have a few videos of some of the stuff we did, but I'm just going to do this video real quick to overview kind of what's going on. This gray is just a test panel to see what the gray is going to look like whenever I paint the bus. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with this section yet. Need to patch that hole and then finish off the trim. But as you can see, we drilled out all the rivets using the factory holes like each panel does, and we drilled out all the rivets and re-riveted it all using the factory holes again, which turned out pretty clean. And then we built this flatbed with drive over fenders, but whenever I park the Cherokee on it, it only comes to right here. So it's not even up on that drive over part, but that's just in case I park something longer on there. Added a little step real quick. Yeah, so this is a 2-inch or a 4-inch outside frame. The channel is 4-inch channel for the outside frame, and then we have 2-inch channel for the cross members, and then we added some angle braces along the sides and capped the frame with some plate just to add some more rigidity. There's the skirts and stuff. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do about that yet. Then you can see the aluminum ramps in the middle that I use for loading the Jeep. I don't have them on the bed of the bus right now because I just finished doing the wood. So here's the 2 rear tie down points. They're these 2 rings, and then up here we have 2 more right there. And with how angled the straps are, these will be like right here, so the strap won't be digging into that. And then this is just a temporary patch for the floor right now. I haven't finished it off yet, but it's just a factory side panel that I riveted down to the floor to fill the gap. Just been trying to get it going so that I can use it, which it's usable. There's all the excess wire that I still need to shorten up, and added speakers to the back wall. There's more excess wire sitting on the couch. Oh, and then I added some outdoor speakers which replace the outside lights. Those just come on with the stop sign on the side, which I don't use obviously because it's not an actual school bus anymore, so I figured I didn't need them. Just some little stuff laying around inside, but it's pretty cleaned out. I know some people asked about the interior. Well, this is what it looks like right now. Haven't had time to do too much with it, but it's functional for me. Added a radio, and then I used the internal external PA switch to switch the speakers on for the outside. And then behind this panel right here, there's an amp. I haven't yet finished up screwing the whole roof piece down, and I still need to seal the roof, but for now she's functional. Had to add another board right there under the back of the bus to help support the back a little bit because it was sagging since the mount was removed whenever I shortened the bus. And then here's the excess heater hose and heater wiring that went to the rear heater, which was past the back of the bus now. I left these emergency windows because they open up like this, which is real nice to for getting cross flow wind whenever you're camping. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like right now. Nothing super fancy, nothing super special, but seems to work pretty well. The runners are like 26 inches wide, I think. The overall width of the bed is 94 inches. So it fits a good variety of vehicles. And I guess worst case scenario, this wood in the middle is strong enough to support vehicle or whatever I want to put on it. And then here's little loops for the ramps that the ramps hook into, which works out pretty well. And for right now, I just have the wiring for the rear lights on the bed tying into the factory stuff right there. I need to add a grommet and such, but again, I was doing it in a rush, just trying to get it ready to go. Gonna take it out this weekend, I believe, with some buddies. So yeah, just did an oil change on it, and seems to be doing pretty well. If there's anything else you want to see, specific pictures or videos of, or whatever, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get more footage of those things. Thanks for watching. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, tell me what I can do better, and please subscribe. Thanks.